Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn Aalborg University login. So let's get right into our video. And if you want to log into your Aalborg University, what you have to do is open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you have to search for Aalborg University login. And after searching for that, in the first option you can find AAU login. You just have to tap on that option, and after tapping on that option you will come up to this page where you should enter your username and password. And after entering your username and password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login you will successfully log into your Aalborg University account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password you can change your password. So you can change your password, get a new password, or you can unlock your account, and there are following other options that you can do. So after changing your password, what you can do is come up to this login page and again enter your username and password and then tap on login. After tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Aalborg University account. That's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.